AnyDesk versus TeamViewer versus Chrome Remote Desktop. Which one is better? Remote desktop software has become essential for IT support, collaboration, and even working from home. Among the most popular options, AnyDesk, TeamViewer, Chrome Remote Desktop stand out as the reliable choices, but they all have very different strengths, weaknesses, and use cases. So in today's video, we'll break them down to find out which one is really better for you. Be sure to watch to the very end so you know which software best suits you. So let's start with AnyDesk. AnyDesk is a lightweight remote desktop solution known for its speed and responsiveness. It uses a proprietary video codec called DeskRT, which is optimized for low latency connections and even over weaker connections. This makes it a favorite for IT professionals who need smooth control without lag. AnyDesk also supports file transfers, session recording, and multi-platform compatibility across Windows, macOS, Linux, Android, and iOS. Its emphasis on performance makes it particularly useful for real-time remote work like design, IT troubleshooting, and even remote presentations. TeamViewer is one of the oldest and most widely adopted remote desktop solutions. It's feature-rich, offering file transfers, multi-user collaboration, remote printing, and even IoT device support. TeamViewer has become a go-to for IT departments worldwide because of its reliability and advanced security protocols. Unlike some competitors, it also supports unattended access, meaning you can connect to devices without needing someone on the other end to grant access. Its long-standing reputation and extensive enterprise features makes it a powerhouse in remote connectivity. Chrome Remote Desktop is Google's free remote access tool built directly into the Chrome browser. It's simple, lightweight, and best for quick connections without the need to install heavy software. With support from cross-platform access, it's popular among casual users who just need to check a home PC from the office or give someone quick access to their desktop. While it doesn't come with advanced IT features, its biggest advantage is how fast and easy it is to set up. All you need is a Google account and the Chrome browser. And now for the feature comparisons. In terms of cost, AnyDesk and Chrome are free, while TeamViewer is paid with higher cost. In terms of performance, AnyDesk wins here as it is excellent and low latency. TeamViewer is good but heavier on resources, and Chrome Remote Desktop is good. In terms of platform support, all of them are cross-platform. For ease of use, Chrome Desktop wins here as it is very easy to use. In terms of security, AnyDesk wins here as it has strong encryption. TeamViewer has enterprise-grade security, and Chrome Remote Desktop has basic Google account login. In terms of features, TeamViewer wins here as it is very rich in features. Chrome's is minimal, while AnyDesk has moderate features. AnyDesk is best used for fast IT support and real time, TeamViewer for enterprises and IT teams, and Chrome Desktop for casual personal use. For offline use, all of them support it except Chrome Desktop, which is limited. And now for the pros and cons. For AnyDesk, it has low latency performance. Its DeskRT codec ensures smooth performance even on slower networks. This makes it a great choice for real-time tasks like remote editing. It has cross-platform compatibility, works seamlessly across major operating systems. This flexibility allows IT professionals to connect across mixed environments without issues. It has lightweight installation. The software is small and fast to install, taking up minimal system resources. This makes it easy to deploy quickly when needed. However, it has a subscription model. While there is a free version, most advanced features require a paid subscription. For businesses, this cost can add up. It has a smaller brand recognition. Compared to TeamViewer, fewer casual users may be familiar with it. This can make it harder when supporting non-technical users. It has limited extra features. AnyDesk focuses heavily on performance but lacks some advanced collaboration tools found in TeamViewer. For TeamViewer, its pros include it being a feature-rich platform. It offers file transfers, remote printing, and even IoT device control. This versatility makes it useful across industries. It is enterprise-ready. Known for its strong security protocols and enterprise-level licensing, businesses trust it for managing sensitive remote access. It has unattended access. TeamViewer allows IT teams to connect to devices without requiring manual approval. This saves time for ongoing maintenance. However, it has a higher cost. TeamViewer's pricing is among the highest in the market. Small businesses and individuals may find it too expensive. It is heavy on resources. Compared to AnyDesk and Chrome Remote Desktop, it can feel slower on older machines. This affects usability in some cases. It has strict licensing rules. TeamViewer can sometimes flag free users as commercial use, forcing them into paid plans. This frustrates casual users. And now for Chrome Remote Desktop. Chrome is completely free. There are no licensing fees or subscription costs. This makes it an attractive option for personal use and small teams. It has a simple setup. All you need is the Chrome browser and a Google account. This simplicity removes the steep learning curve found in other tools. Chrome is lightweight and accessible. Because it runs in Chrome, it requires no heavy software installation. This makes it accessible from virtually anywhere. However, it has only basic features. It lacks advanced functionality like file transfer, session recording, or remote printing. This limits professional use. It is dependent on Chrome. It requires Google Chrome to work, which may not be ideal for users who prefer other browsers. This reduces flexibility. It has security limitations. While reasonably secure, it doesn't offer the same enterprise-grade protection like AnyDesk or TeamViewer. Large organizations may find it insufficient. And now for the real-world scenarios. For Scenario 1, IT professionals, AnyDesk is often preferred for fast troubleshooting thanks to its low latency performance. For large enterprises, TeamViewer stands out with advanced security and collaboration features that big organizations rely on. For personal or casual use, Chrome Remote Desktop is perfect for those who just need a simple, free solution to access their devices remotely. So which one is better? The answer really depends on your needs. Choose AnyDesk if you want fast, lightweight, and responsive performance with enough features for professional IT support. Choose TeamViewer if you're part of a large organization or enterprise that needs robust features, strong security, and enterprise support, but don't mind the higher cost. Choose Chrome Remote Desktop if you're a casual user or just want a free, easy to set up solution for basic remote access. In the end, there isn't a one size fits all winner. AnyDesk excels in performance, TeamViewer leads in features, and Chrome Remote Desktop dominates in simplicity and accessibility. The best choice is whichever balances your budget, workflow, and security needs. And there's been an honest comparison between AnyDesk, TeamViewer, and Chrome Remote Desktop. So which software are you using? Let us know in the comments. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest comparisons. And see you in the next video.